Hello everyone, my name's Gene Quinn. I'm a patent attorney and I'm the founder and editor of IPWatchdog.com. I'm also the creator of the Invent and Patent System, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about the Invent and Patent System here today. The Invent and Patent System was created a number of years ago when I was teaching law students how to draft patent applications. Whenever you're faced with a first time doing something, it can be really quite difficult to do, and it can be difficult to teach somebody how to do it. You can tell somebody, look at a patent and just give me that same type of information, but that really doesn't work particularly well. So what I did was I decided that I would break it down, and I would ask my students a series of questions based on the invention that I was going to ask them to write an application for. And they answered those questions, and then we talked about how the answers to those simple questions could be used to create a patent application, where that information would go, and why I asked them to answer those specific questions. And the system worked remarkably well. So I started to think that if students who were in it simply to get a good grade could do this, that I thought I could teach inventors who were interested in writing their own applications how to create good, high-quality provisional patent applications that describe their own inventions. Because let's face it, you as the inventor know more about your invention than anybody is ever going to know. You have all the information in your head, so if you can convey that information to me as the patent attorney, the job becomes much more simple. So if I can get you to answer a series of questions and provide the information that is necessary in those answers, and I can show you where those answers go within a good patent template, then the patent is going to write itself. And that's the basis of the Invent and Patent System. So what we have is we have a series of questions that asks you for discrete information along the way. And each question will have an answer template. And it is suggested that you use that answer template and you provide the information that is required in that template, simply so when you get to the last stage and the system populates the provisional patent application, the first draft, much less smoothing will be required. So at the very beginning of the process, we ask you, what type of invention do you have? And then the answer templates are going to be based on the type of invention that you have. And then we ask you what kind of invention is it? Is it a mechanical invention? Is it electrical invention? Is it software? And then every answer is going to have illustrative example answers that you can look at. Now, the point of those is to give you an idea of, if you were going to be graded on this question, what would be the A+ answer? And that just gives you an idea about what am I looking for in terms of depth of answer and specificity. And every question has a video tutorial. Usually they're a few minutes long, some are a little bit longer, and it'll tell you about the question, what I want to get you to do with that question, why I'm asking you that question, the type of information you should provide. And then every question also has about text. So if you want to read the about text as well, that would be helpful as well. So it's a fully mentored system. It's a do-it-yourself system. It's all fully contained. There's nothing to download. You log in. You can get into the system, you answer the questions, you can save, you can come back later, work on it little by little, but you get to the end and then you'll have a first draft of a provisional patent application. So that's the Invent and Patent System. We've used it with many inventors, literally thousands of inventors over the years have successfully used it to file their own provisional patent applications. So please give it a try. Thanks.